Thomas the Tank Engine reacts to Behind the Scenes of the Lion Guard Voice Actors, Episode 1. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas the Tank Engine. Today, I'll be reacting to Behind the Scenes of the Lion Guard Voice Actors that was created by The Lion King 2011, and the date is November 13th, 2015. So, I'm going to react this video. Okay, so this is Behind the Scenes of the Lion Guard Voice Actors. So, let's watch this video and see how I react to this.
In the new series and upcoming film, we'll meet Kion.
Alright then. Whoa, hey there! Ford Riley, executive producer.
Future queen of the Pride Lands.
Max Charles, he voiced Kion, and he's my friend.
They roar with him when he roars. And he's the leader of the Lion Guard.
Come on, Bunga! You're the bravest animal I know. I want you to be the first to join the new Lion Guard.
The Lion Guard is the team that's charged with protecting the Pride Lands and defending the Circle of Life. The Avengers meets the Lion King.
The Avengers reminds me of Marvel.
Fastest and keenest of sight.
I might not be the biggest honey badger, but I know what's in my heart. You know, the honey
Joshua
badger
Rush,
won't care.
he
And I'm not
voiced
afraid of
Bunga.
anything. He doesn't really
He's the
think,
bravest
too much
of the
before
Lion
he jumps
Guard.
into a situation. I guess that's what makes him the bravest animal of the Pride Lands.
I have PR on site, but she's hurt.
Ono is the egret.
Atticus
He is the
Schaffer,
site.
he voiced Ono.
He scouts out the best way and safest way to a situation.
Can't get any closer. Fully, the Lion Guard needs you. You're the Pride Land's fastest.
You got that right? Food
Diamond
is
White,
fastest,
she
so
voiced
always
Fully.
relies on
She's
the
the
probably
fastest.
Nowhere to run it. I can't run faster.
What's the Kerboble, Zazu?
Bestie, you are the strongest.
My
Wow.
character Bestie, he's like the strongest, most caring.
Deucen Brown, he
He's
voiced
like very
Bestie.
He's like everybody's friend.
Hey everybody, who wants a water slide? Twin Deck Kiboko!
The team that he assembles is the first time the Lion Guard has been made of animals that aren't all lions.
Together we'll protect the Pride Lands and defend the Circle of Life.
Wow. So that's it. In general, I think it took me the video which is behind the scenes of the Lion Guard. So my favorite character of the Lion Guard is Kion, and he is voiced by Max Charles. Every time I go to the Pride Lands to see him, every time I'll ask him and see how he's doing with his friends, known as the Lion Guard. Well, that's it for now. This is Thomas signing off, and I'll be seeing you in the next video of my reaction. Goodbye!